Managing complex Camunda workflows often feels like firefighting. Your teams are talented, but they're slowed down by manual checks, unexpected production issues, and the constant fear of what a new deployment might break. What if you could give them the tools to prevent fires, not just fight them? What if you could build higher quality processes from the start and deploy with absolute confidence? Let's show you how. The best way to fix production issues is to prevent them entirely. Champa Intelligence Model Validator is your automated quality gate, ensuring best practices are followed before a process is ever deployed. Before code is even committed, it scans the model against over 50 policies, catching everything from security vulnerabilities and performance anti-patterns to common Camunda modeling mistakes while offering best practice guidance. You can also validate any process already deployed in your Camunda environments to audit existing workflows. This same power extends to your decision tables. Powerful filters let you focus on what matters most. And of course, you are allowed to manage a set of rules to be applied for validation on a separate page. This is quality assurance shifted left, ensuring excellence from the very start. A new process version is ready for deployment. But what exactly has changed? Are you sure there are no unintended modifications in both integration and business logics are still correct? The Champa Intelligence Diff Tool provides an immediate, unambiguous comparison. This isn't just a visual check. We parse the entire XML, catching every change in properties, scripts, and Camunda-specific extensions. Go beyond the visual. Drill down into any changed element to see the exact code and attribute modifications. Need to collaborate? Share a direct link to a specific change in a pull request or a JIRA ticket. You can also generate a full, exportable diff report for documentation and compliance. It's more than a diff tool. It's the first true version control system for BPMN, giving you complete auditability and peace of mind. Stop firefighting. Start building with confidence. Champa Intelligence provides the critical tools your technical teams need to ensure quality from development and deploy safely to production. Visit our website to request your personalized demo and empower your team to build better and deploy safer.